Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and signing into the Microsoft account linked to Office. Once done, free up at least 10 GB and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the installer won't fail mid-download. Next, locate your license or subscription details. This tells you whether to download Office 365 or a one-time Office package. Now, open the Microsoft account portal or the Office installer link you already have and start the download. The installer will guide the next steps. You run the Office installer as administrator and choose the 64-bit build for performance if you work with large workbooks. While installation proceeds, prepare to transfer files. Copy workbooks, custom templates, and add-ins into the same folder structure you used before so links and macros keep working. Once Excel opens, install or re-enable add-ins, set your default save folder, and enable auto-save for cloud files. These steps preserve behavior and reduce surprises when you resume work. You finish by opening critical workbooks and checking formulas, macros, and external links to confirm everything runs as before. Make sure Excel calculation mode, trusted locations, and privacy settings match your old setup. This prevents disabled content and wrong results. Once verification succeeds, sign in to OneDrive for cloud sync and confirm auto-save works. If anything breaks, repair Office from programs and features or restore from your backup. That step often fixes corrupted installs or misapplied settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.